Yako, ready yabo. No me asab 1 pepe. Utie 106.3 FM. Adom. Yema.
Na dance nyame de achewo ena eye joda January bosume ne de toso July ya de rade ase se wa uni e mobo na wa kan ya kan ate ase fo ho every sabre kwa akopem se bebo anwume no nsia na ye tie kase obo no eye Ofie Kwanso e wa Adom 106.3 FM. But with the yabo. Papa Mwabre. Hey! No benya one for watching. Na ube too far sabo korea. Ube too mirikasa womre. Yes. Esa sa wanya buta twen yamenim. Enu ti wa ma wa hoden foforo. E che kane ahoden no. Na no se rade so hira na wa hira obi ntimi no me. Yes. The rade sa dan so no. E din so benya no. Ube sum ni fidie pempem na so mu ba kokura ni wa beyi no esa se nyame ne nsa eda ne so ewie nyame fa ne santo so ewie nyame hwehwe wo baby a wo bia nyame fa ne san kan on paibo wade srede enusu a watie akonche a waye ade wasem watu awrade anim for so many years. Now what train na mamuno ewie nyame hu mobo no nkai o ewie na metie breaking yoke so for na some na no kan you see kasasa na mtie na say this man is talking to me. Yes, you see sometimes what means that why everything why you be dimu esesenka nyame banka udi ye obrana wo bono chese what means that be bia da na kwam nyame se menye we na mom we na ye why ye ni nyina so still enye so ye nipa bone fo enye se wo ye kwadwofo enye se sabe wo de oto no mpadwuma yo everything humanly possible why ye spiritually mpaibo asasa wo nyina ko nyame no bunkotodwe sufre nyame but still one mpaibo na wabo ni nyina anu ye ni maye then you begin to wonder why. So sometimes you ask God, why me? Why this? Why that? Now what tete? Adentin awurade me nko ade me brese ye na me nko ade papa na aden ye de sesa me ye nyina awurade maye ubo so mo anu mu sisu nyina anamo kro na mu nyina mu tuye no omo de assume ye adwuma mu nyina mo start ye the same approach de sesa wo ye bia wo ye ni nyina pepepe yet wo de na anya ye obia succeed amafo anwom breakthrough omo ebe ware omo ebe wo ma wo awonta sa nyina yet ankonam why ya kontu semi wakwa embassy several times anytime you abeko bia na reject ya banzo on san kan visa no ponu abedwi sika de to ticket na on de tukwan but onwonko bia on ni na the same company the same letter ye de ma mo say mo fa kwa embassy onu so bia na ye de ma no okoya pan ye de abomu ma no 5 years afi wo ba sa now so go set fako admission ya open to the tertiary institution why ya when we want me so only na the same classroom when na na try the same grade na kura mu nyina but mu na mo apply no ye fa no yan fa enu ti adane wadwendwen wadwenya ensiso afeto da na tetew na wo ha ukokete so a wontimi na wode sa na de achen aduane mponye wakonoma me but we atie me like the man of God said abrane nyame ni pai wonu nim se waye papa pen waye papa pen onye nipa oye nipa bonefo boni ni nakoma mu now so Mordecai. Oh my goodness. You see, that story, no, a story of common nipa bebre. So when you touch on it, a nipa related to it in a dozen. That is why I said, a brand nyamini pane kasanams. He is telling my story. No be a wire papa pen. Now so the boni tuaka yan kaiwo. You see, yan kaiwo not even talk about appreciating you. Yan kai posa wire papa bisada. But he went before the Lord. And then we baby a we ye share. Baby a promotion share. Baby a breakthrough share. Baby a on course was share. Whoever is holding it. Nyame bemo nipa kono koda na ba no so said they happen to him no na na dwuda so mu nyina wantimi ana na wadwendwen ya until so no anka say twa say na dien na ekoso yi na oyin kwa ya me da bi o abrantie ye me papa bi panyo na edien kura na ye de ma no wo sa papa o ye ma mi so oni pesa so bo obi awurade nka kai no awie yi ade abechi no nipa akona kai o na won say emwa bi wo ese so de boa wo. You see, sometimes you qualify for something ebi awakwa kopa adwuma bi adwuma wura no is sitting on wo employment no just what to na adwumu ada and kan adwendwo oda na wada. You are not part of his thinking. And now we nyame de nsabe kan wada wona. He will begin to think about you. Now how befa phone he will look for your number and will call you and tell you, oh, Masabra. Yeah. Me say, there's such a bawa kwamubian won sabeka. Be rest assured, nyame tiase. On we catch nyame. Me person will tap into this. Me, the man of God was just talking. I mean, he was preaching. Let me put it that way. Me ankasa me won masem wana me ba be share on the radio today. But abro kan sasa no papa asem a wo kan asem we ya wo kan eye masem na asem we minim say nya me nko anso masem eye nipa bebre asem. So I want you to tap into it. Said me so tap into it. You to tap into this message. Neka che nyame se baby a we die hye bia baby a won koso breakthrough hye bia obi bia knowingly or genuinely okromu a wonyamu ma wonsan kasa yedie no awurade ankasa fa ne nsan kɔ nipa kro no ɔma wo ho adwe nyina nso nipa kro timu ma ɔnwe ho san kɔpem sɛ bɛma ne sleepless night until that person will contact you and whatever is due you will release the amount in the name of Jesus. One can amen. Hallelujah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Where you Jack Alolumi? I am Madame for pa. Nathaniel Atwell. Who are Joy FM? Minu ana boko there. Yamin come where you at it. I see you, bro. Okay. Yeah. My country. Me the full trust we be me amasem. The ready person me no channel me no watching. Me mo akwa babo Ofie Kwanso me die so. You from me Jerry Justice. As that can say Enkoma producers almost so share a butchy dom den kama. Tete banafo Brad Titi ewa ha. Afi African wa ha. Aketo ho. Nana bedi den so ha. Say na no adawa no so utwan ho London kakra ba nam so koi. Afi oba na msimo bu market me wan send message no so bro. You go now. Why you go? You know make I go. Any antenna free side be kopim say ebebo numre no sia. Now be yenhira. Ayo Ofie Kwanso. Your own show. Ni bia o ma na tum ayesima kakra bia na me nche wa homa no so. Na ase ya de bia hu hia pa. Nyame ebima wada na ase. Nyame de watwa weekend yi awie weekend ya na mu nsam do so da bia sada me ka no no it is nyame de wo show week for na sesa be thankful to him it is from sesia na de rade ase why wo de oni hwe kan wo de offer na ultimi nya connection etom nko de oba ase Lord I thank you just do that 0302 216 561 afi 0302 216 562 and 0268 499 347. Winning numbers say Didi Jumano. First call our man so na baby am di mani a chere mari ya me ko ni say Jacob me say wonu nsia. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon.
Me patro for say me nuaba.
Patro nuaba Belinda Frimponia me ka sapi malaka.
Akwa ba patro yentie de also de rade ase bi.
Me danya me hase bebre wa hwe ye kra so ama ya starting ka poni bia. Ya fro kan so de akwa ba me danya me hase ma wo bradery. Woni wa fan so de akwa ba be kan yen sa sunde mu. Ya danya me hase bebre. E ma bradery na wa fa na mo na ma si achinu wa yi.
Oh.
Omo ti bi afa na ama.
Omo ni wa daje okro hu osa o.
Oh. Ana ya shisha ne pa, ya shisha no nti. Na me gba ni anti no.
Mo yi. I go for frefre na one am hwe. Yes o mo no ho times are. On baby omo dwina ye okro hu a. Asemba na media ni na asem kro na hwe. Omo ni wa daje sa o. Next caller. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Patrick Frost, eh?
We do the Kojaja.
All right, Patrick, you.
I'm the referee. If you go out. The don't go to us or I can see my brother. I heard a former 2019 is no 2019. I'm really after that at the moment. They don't want to something. They be out and am I a
Amen. 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 Yen trust you fire next call and INT on also your catch radio. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon.
Radio no do radio no INT me communicate you. Do radio no but what they are.
Hello.
Yes, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Your friend saying?
My friend Michael.
All right, bro, Michael, patrol you.
But so radio at the cases I'm going home back and so I'm a semi qualified to me done as a
Amen. Amen. That's it. Power for your call. Yami sure. 14 more minutes to 4 on 106.3 FM. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, brother.
Yes, boss.
Yami
Adom ye pa.
Oh, you're from Mauli, ni from Dodoa.
Mauli it you.
Oh, me da Yakubu say wa hear me be me bushia. I feel I trim. I feel I start here wa pumu. Ni dia sida kese manu pa. Enye akatwa bi amatua manu. Etru mi da mi yiri your friend Rose and frame. Mi da na se pi say anka onye onu a me nya obi a oyo ba bia Yakubu di chemi. Yakubu on chance bebre ene me bucha fo ni nyina madam fo ni nyina Yakubu on pem so obia on that hospital afi we mu. Mi da omuma ejuma a mi ye ni mamu mi ye pi office ni omuma mi ejuma mi ye mamu no Yakubu on chance mu nyina susu.
Amen. Yes, that's a pa. Yen trust you for your next caller. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello.
Good afternoon. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
Yes, good afternoon. You're from saying?
Yes, Miss Cecilia. You're first feeling well.
All right, Cecilia, you too.
Oh, but so you're then I'm they're from San Camo. Oh, I don't pray. I'm from San. That's a very never see a room. Yes, first we brought him myself.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, no, I see.
Amen.
Thanks, I come. They are before. I wouldn't die somewhere.
Hey, I'm not say yes and I'm there be too bad. I'm line of crying. You're for also Munna person casa. Munna say reason as it's about. You're for last two calls. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon, Jerry.
Boss Patrick Frost saying.
With the Jonathan Catherine question.
Okay, Patrick, you.
Roger, area going. Then I'm answered the now, I'm almost 3 years ago. Benefra Bastono. Metem koma moje 80% ewo memo. But with the head in the impact, then I'm as a baby, and my pomade. And you once a so that Jerry. Yamishiramo and come on.
Amen.
All the better says, Amen.
All right, yeah, that's the pa. Yami inshallah. And for last caller. Good afternoon, come on, Pastor Owusu. Or Palma Italy. To say, Michelle, last call on the line. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon.
Patrick Frost saying.
I'm a taxi driver, Medina.
Brian, is the mark by Intiwe.
Yo, and then I'm going to say, Mamma Brabo, and Mamma Brabo, and Medina Brabo. So I say, so I'm a shot, maybe. And I'm in love with what taxi drivers now. I'm going to my area.
Amen. It has the pa. I mean, sure. And I'm going to ask him, I'm afraid. I mean, sure. Abna Ruthie. Good afternoon. That's the same. Oh, yeah. I feel young fana, young trust what this side is. Nidinde Andy Frimpon Manson. Minimum no. Na minimum say oyo nyame ba. Aje! Na minimum so betimi aye. So betimi aye. Yan fast that my proud sponsors on my boy my day offendi kan here Radia Brel Ofie Kwanso media so Adom 106.3 FM. Now where would you be in the next year? Next year 2020. Where would you be? Or where do you want to be? In a year? Or let's say in 5 years' time? Or maybe when you are old and gray? Where would you want to be? Which kind of life and our person will be living at that time? Well, said the Tibiano. Say, control over your money. It is best than how much money you have in your account. You can have a fat amount in your account, but if you don't have control over it, and wow, and that's the key to achieving your future goals. Yeah. And nunti NSS utimi ene Petra Trust. Edinkita home. Ene yankasa ne na yamwa sebeya efficiently ubetimi control usika a wono through savings, investment, pensions and the keke kan bebre sebeya also betimi achieve more. Now that chain fefe you bebre sisu timi say yes abrabo no bono mu fe mu de fefe kama so agya ne kokora bremu no na ne mre wabom no na abrabo no ne hweso pa je so apa so ama no say tare enkoyi ense say yes sir esa o dachi mumutimi ye prom fefe kama pa ani na betimi adimu yi a it starts with Petra Trust. Etim patro friend e dey ya 0242 435 037. And no yade baako bi before yen ya ade ho enti yen kokora bom no ana yen pani fie so no mo se abrabon mu eden aman ba brofo de awrade be shi obro ni bi pa tumi se we ba bi e wadu adi enka so tena fie na nka ja osma nkolen kakra ba be shi anu ba bi agi ani no ogina ni bi woni bi din komo no mo catch up the places they've been to near the and chale the way they have fun and if pukeke eso ja ye hey and ne die ya ye die die nko na hiya yo ye dachi de de ya ye nwe ho pepacho woni Petra Trust eni komo ne why na ye moa na so dachi nye fe na nye de 0242 435 037 and yes I'll bet me I'll visit achievemore.petratrust.com. Achievemore.petratrust.com. Achieve more the obey me atro. Petra Trust no. Petra ne PETRA. Now the trust TRUST asoso.com. And one no. Petra. Achieve more. Afe buy101.com. Hone nei enyama wodo a wo pato no wiase mu ababia no especially Ghana ha obetimi anya no e wa bra ne bo ne da fom wo so ade bia wo bia pese oton bia na e kontema wo no Petra Trust and obetimi aboa wo hey David try ya mi wizi didi atafa so ade bia so pese oton bia buy101.com ho e na de kwa amanfo behuru ne ntem no mo ato say ye wo car na pese oton ana say efie e na pese oton ana asase na woton spare parts just say product bi bia woton bia no what they call a buy101.com ye ton na ho hare so tentem na wajo cash agu botom simple and etia www.buy101.com and yes our friend was 0266 637 111 and 0302 300 472. DBS Industries Limited. I want now purchase papa their board now so I bet you know. Make sure roofing sheet and your chance here the board now so make it. Papa pre-coated roofing sheet. Roofing sheet and you are losing content no na kwani change the account marketing ya AZ150 the account marketing na between AZ30 and AZ50 the difference no team say yes got me a wide a coloring plus roofing sheet obeto bia na am 20-year warranty wo so obesan enjoy 5% discount enti hwe achi akwan wo Spring Church Road no so see ai Ofie so a enche bia no adu papa restaurant Ekita dia bia so afre 0577 619 102 afa 0543 286 637 yeah any roof expert no papa ejire na so bruta Good afternoon and come out Mrs. Azu. Welcome back home. Then you may as well do feel London. I bet you Ghana soon. Oh, Titi, mommy, about an Ukrainian Fufuni of Nobubi or Mamma dinner. You know, I feel that you money banana day. It's Fufuni of Nobubi or Mamma dinner. About Saturday. Yes, I'm a shark can't I'm a share ye. Fish be a Kahosania, the idea, and 1 year there. Was a cook, got talk about tobacco, you may not be watching today. Hi, mommy. When you at your bruta. Guaranteed Trust Bank Ghana Limited, GT Bank. The most innovative and technology advanced bank. Bank of far bear for Kwanso di Juma pa chese. Oh massa. GT Bank. Pa. And then me call my branch now was Spinkters no. And you have for now money na me checha munina. Also star 737 hash service no. Egusu ya Juma pa. Eti bomodin bowdam sabe ya betimi bank na transaction bia on your mobile phone wa bra ha honko banking ho e save time pa right eti bomodin right now switch to me where simple banking for every Ghanaian convenient banking pa try today and smile we your assistance our friend 050-140-9490 afa 050-144-9481 Guaranteed Trust Bank. Wouldn't you rather bank with us? Kojak Pharma Limited. I'm on the man, the original pro code, the Kutia code, and the flu. If I try to money now, make sure I said the autono KOJACH any logo no, and they are original. Omukran my Kojak F and Kojak P toothpaste, and a Kojak F and Kojak P mouthwash, and a Kojak sensitive to brush. When you be what would the idea de pan sugar one more? An idea a shit, an idea chill the pan one drop. Now say film what they you see nani neja obey su Kojak F toothpaste in the mouthwash be jai what they na no den pa to da kra na osene your twikura ya na say moje ba you su Kojak P toothpaste in the mouthwash continuously for 4 weeks later now I switch it to Kojak F but person content e ma pa aye you su Kojak sensitive toothbrush ne kan why bibia be fine available pharmacy shops out on you do pa no hwehwe Kojak Pharma chia kwan e wo Kanshi drug lane and yes our phrase 0249 209 920 our phrase 0260 870 780 FDIS ankra to emu hwehwe mu agya tumsampa correct pa Abena Ruthie going higher. Greetings, Uncle Emma, Jesse, Afe Aben, Young, Brian, Amunina Moya, Hollywood, Barbering Saloon, Enfield, or London. From Nana Bedi there. Sure, so by Mutual Tunka Kraman near there. Fresh be near there. Finally, a first day due on Emma transition the funeral people. The patrol any pay the head there a year by Babusium. A year by Odisha Toa. For transition for from day one only pan better form. The Besha crack rana bibia kama kopim die be na to home. Na man for better last respect. The bay yen for fair fat monim kama. Your plans no policies been more bet me do one bed Jimmy said the ben a year back rana. I bring why you didn't bet me you know what ye amount. Sebe when he end to and to one some. Ray Chakwa Hachu, Atomic Road no so war. Transition. the funeral people, and a member of the enterprise group. And Chebi Ababa shot somewhere due to for an area. I will feel consumer so Adom 106.3 FM. Yes, and no AF Futu. In the meantime, this is Going Higher by Abna Ruthie. Enjoy.